should have been an actor. Welcome everybody to Matt Bayerski YouTube channel. Today we're talking about a crystal for anger. So, as a healer over the years, I've worked on people's anger issues in my family, as well as myself and a lot of clients. Anger issues right now are reaching sky high, and something in that, sky high. I wonder why that is. Why is he saying sky high? I wonder what's in the sky that makes people angry. Funny lines. I wonder why I always feel angry and stressed when them lines are in there. Not them beautiful clouds. So today I've had multiple messages of people asking me about anger issues, and they want some kind of support, crystal support. So I could probably give you 5 or 6 crystals, but having worked with one in particular over the years, definitely over, I'd say, 8 solid years, this crystal has acted as a really, really good release mechanism for anger. It heals the mind tremendously, and so much more. This crystal that I recommend today is a crystal called Burcite. And I haven't got any with me today. I wish I'd brought some, but I haven't, so I can't show you. What does it look like? It feels like a piece of plastic in your hand. It feels like resin almost. It's an unusual feeling, unusual touch, and the colour is kind of amazing. It's bright yellow, and it's got these little matrix of black in it. It's beautiful. But that said, what does it do? When I worked on my clients with stress, anger, it was more anger related, just frustrated and angry, those that were struggling with their jaws. And this anger towards life and everything, they don't know why. I haven't got a clue. Don't know. Just get angry. We could look really deep into that and we could talk about it, but these are short 5-minute videos. When I turned on my table, I'd always have maybe 50 crystals, and around my neck I'd have crystals. I'd always turn to brucite. I would always put it on the client, forehead, side of their ear, top of their crown. I'd put it around there. And within an hour, you can see a release of this anger. And then afterwards, they'd feel a lot better, and they'd take a piece of brucite home with them, or they'd wear it. And I always find I got good results. I always got good hits. Like, that was a hit. That was definitely a hit. So I recommend brucite right now. I think it's a really good crystal. I worked with brucite about 4 weeks ago. I worked with brucite with a client online as a friend and a client, just as a thank you. I don't do it anymore. But I had a piece of brucite, and they were going through a very angry period. It helped tremendously. So that's my recommendation today. I could recommend, lots of others. I could talk about Cavansite being one, which would help. Sleeping Beauty with peridot. Yeah, there's quite a few, but if you ask me, which would you choose? Which is the best one now? Say brucite. So yeah, that's my take as a crystal healer over 2 decades. I hope it helps. I hope you go to your local crystal store, you find a piece, and you just work with it. You just put it in your pocket, or if it's on a hanger, just wear it around your neck. Not too low, further up. If you can get further up, round about here, because you're working on this section, you might notice a massive difference. Really, massive difference. Or just on a side note, I would definitely recommend you to the Sacred Oil of Matt Bayerski. Sacred Oil. That one works tremendously, especially around up here. So there, brucite, 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it. One link below, or maybe 2. One link for the brucite. I've got a beautiful collection of brucite. I don't know how many I've got, maybe about 100 beautiful pieces, all mounted in sterling silver. They're gorgeous, very affordable, beautiful pieces and genuine. And I'll link one link below for the sacred oil. So yeah, I think that's it. Have a great day. Take care.